Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I kind of just wanted to do a get ready with me, a get glam with me type of video. So if you would like, pause this video, go get your stuff together, and we can do our makeup together. But if you'd like to see how I got this kind of orangey, bronzy makeup look, then keep on watching. So the first product I always use now is the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder, and I love using this just as a base for my foundation because I just feel like it gives me a little bit more coverage. So for my perfect shade, I mixed two different colors. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and I use the shades Sesame and Golden Neutral to kind of mix them together and make my perfect shade. I start out with Golden Neutral, which is the darker formula, so I put it more towards the outer part of my face. And then I go in with Sesame towards the center of my face. Then I'm just going to blend it all out using a Real Techniques sponge. So I just picked up this concealer yesterday. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This concealer has been around for so long, but I could never use it because the shades were way too light for my skin tone. But they just released, I think, like 4 or 5 new shades. So I got the shade Sand, which looks like it'll be perfect for my under eyes. So I'm super excited because I heard this was an amazing concealer. I just could never use it just because it was always too light and it just didn't really look good on my skin tone. Ugh, if I can get this open. Excuse me. There we go. And this is a brand new one, so I know it's gonna take a few clicks. All right, we're getting something. We're getting something. All right, so this is the color. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. That might still be too light, I don't know. No, I can probably make that work, blend that out. So I always let my concealer sit a little bit before I blend it out. So I'm going to put on my brows. I'm probably going to do this off camera just to save battery, but I've done my eyebrows on camera like so many times, so you can always refer back to another video. Or if you okay, so now my brows are on, so I'm just going to blend out this concealer, and we are going to see how I like it. I put some on my lid too, just to kind of prime the eye for eyeshadow. I think I like it. It's definitely not too light. Yeah, I like it. So I'm just going to blend out this eye. Yes, okay, so I'm going to cream contour using the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealer, the shade Toffee. So I just do a line like that, and then I go in. With this mini fluffy contour brush and just work it into those lines. And then I just take my sponge and blend the rest in. Remember always to blend upwards. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm going in with is the Morphe Day Slayer palette, and I love this palette. It has 16 shades that are perfect for any type of daytime look. And the first color I'm going to be taking from this palette is called In the Crease, which is the Perfect Orange. And I'm going to take that on a fluffy crease brush and work that into my crease. Okay, so then I'm taking the same palette and I'm going in with the color Define, which is a really nice chocolate brown. Just taking a regular Morphe crease brush, and I'm going to focus this color more in the outer part as kind of just the defining color. So just on the outer part of the crease and also on the outer part of the lid too. Okay, so for the lid color, I'm going to be going in with this Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. This is one of her smaller palettes. I think she came out with 4 different colors. I've decided I'm going to take this really gorgeous gold color right here. They're almost like wet in a way. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. This is so pretty. I always have to be super careful though because, as I said, I don't apply powder. Like right away, so I just have to be careful of the fallout that it doesn't stick. For lashes, I just found these at CVS. They are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies, and they are the Demi Wispies, so they look like the lashes I usually wear. They just look like they would last a little bit longer than the ones I wear. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for my eyelash glue to dry before we finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna move on to the face again, and I'm just gonna take the same translucent powder, the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and just apply this right underneath my eyes where we put the concealer. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Milani Powder Foundation in the shade Natural Tan. And this one just matches my skin a little bit better, so I like to put it on the bottom half of my face and also my forehead. And it is a powder foundation, so it gives a little bit more coverage too. And then to bronze my skin, I'm going in with the classic Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one is in the shade Medium Deep, and I love using this to warm up my skin. And down the sides of my nose. So before I do highlight and lipstick, which are my last 2 steps, steps, I'm just going to finish up the eye look. So I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty palette again and just take this color right in the middle, this really pretty bronzy color, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. To brighten up the inner corner, I'm going in with this Stila Magnificent Metal in the shade Kitten Karma. Just as my inner corner color. I just feel like that looks so pretty. And for highlight, I'm using the new Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. I posted this on my Instagram story. I have it saved. Looks like this. But I have it saved as one of like my highlights and like under the beauty ones. So if you want to see how it looked fresh out of the package, I have it on there. So I'm going to spray my skin first. And then I'm going to take this highlight with, should have gotten my highlight brush out first. I'm going to just go in, take some of this. And this looks so pretty. Then I just spray my face on this side. Also, I take a bit on the tip of my finger and put it right here as my nose highlight. Just blend that out. And then also taking some right here. Taking some on the Cupid's bow. Alright, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Toast. I'll probably insert some clips here of close-ups, but I'm going to go put my wig on and I will be right back. So this is my new wig. I kind of dig her. Her name is Lindsay. Like, I didn't name her, but like the name of the actual wig is called Lindsay. Yeah, I really like the color. She has like random like green in her. She's mostly red, this reddish color, but at the top it's nice and brown. I like wigs that have the brown at the top and then fade to the color. I feel like this is the first time I've mentioned my wigs in a video, mostly because I recently just started wearing them. I want to say 4 or 5 months ago, I started wearing them and now I'm obsessed with them. This is the third style that I've worn. If you guys are interested in like wig reviews, I can totally do them. These wigs are super, super cheap, $30 to $40. I can tell you my websites, I can try on wigs for you guys. Just let me know what you think. I think wigs are more of an up and coming thing now, so I don't know, maybe you guys would want to see something like that. But anyways, that is all for my video today. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos of mine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.